Basic components of mobile phones feature tambah Android today. We're starting with one of the most important foundations of mobile repairing, understanding the basic components inside a mobile phone. And the best part, once you learn these basics, repairing any feature phone or Android smartphone becomes much easier. So stay with me, because this knowledge will build your core repairing skills. Hello everyone, and welcome to this mobile repairing session. My name is Asad Malik, and in this video, I'm going to explain the essential hardware components that make every mobile phone function. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone who wants to improve their technical understanding, this video will give you a strong foundation to start repairing phones confidently. Pertama, PCB the motherboard. Let's start with the heart and the brain of every mobile phone, the PCB, also known as the motherboard. This is where all components are mounted, interconnected, and controlled. Without the PCB, nothing inside the phone can operate. Every signal, every function, and every component depends on this board. Kedua, the power section. Next is the power section, which includes the battery, charging IC, charging connector, and the PMIC, power management IC. This section is responsible for supplying and deregulating power throughout the phone. The charging IC manages battery charging, making sure the battery receives the correct voltage and current. The PMIC distributes power to all components, ensuring everything works safely and efficiently. Most common issues like phone not charging, not powering on, or battery percentage stuck come from this area. Ketiga, the network section. Now let's talk about the network section. This includes the antenna, RF IC, power amplifier PA, and the baseband IC. Together, they handle signal reception, signal transmission, and the communication with the SIM card. If a phone shows no service, emergency calls only, or cannot detect a SIM card, the problem usually lies somewhere in this section. Keempat, audio dan interface components. Moving on to the components we interact with every day, the speaker, ear speaker, microphone, and the vibrator motor. These parts control the phone's sound output, voice input, alerts, and the vibrations. Common issues like low mic volume, no more sound, distorted audio, or vibration not working are all linked to these components. Kelima, display dan touch section. Next is the display and the touch section, which includes the liquid crystal display or screen, the touch panel, and the display connector. The display shows the visuals, while the touch panel allows interaction. Problems such as no display, wide display, broken lines on screen, or touch not working all relate to this section. A damaged connector or faulty screen is often the main cause. Keenam, processing dan memory section. A mobile phone also has a CPU, along with RAM and the ROM. These components control the performance, storage, and the system operations. The CPU is the brain that executes commands, RAM handles active processes, and the ROM stores system files and the data. If a phone is slow, hangs frequently, or keeps restarting, the issue is often connected to this area. Ketujuh, small but important electronic components. Finally, let's look at the tiny components that play a major role in repairing: resistors, capacitors, diodes, coils, and jumpers. Resistors control current flow. Capacitors filter and destabilize voltage. Diodes protect circuits from reverse current. Coils help with filtering and power and the network sections. And the jumpers are used to reconnect broken pathways. Even though these parts are small, faults like short circuits, open lines, and no power problems happen because of them. So these are the basic components found inside every mobile phone, whether it is a feature phone or a smartphone. If you understand the function of each component, you'll be able to diagnose faults more logically, professionally, and confidently. In the next video, I'll show you a practical demonstration of these components directly on a motherboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next session.